prove that one. Okay, AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square. 2 AB square equal to AD square minus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square. 3 AC square plus AB square equal to 2 AD square plus half BC square. Okay, figure I'll give you. A, B, C. In figure, AD is a median. Okay. Here, AE perpendicular. Okay, this is the one. Okay. So tomorrow's test is based on Pythagoras theorem and all. Okay. Question. In figure, in triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AC perpendicular to, sorry, in triangle ABC, AC greater than AB, AC greater than AB. Okay, just there. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Then AE perpendicular to BC. AE perpendicular to BC. Prove that 1. AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 4 BC square. And then AB square, next one, AB square equal to AD square minus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square. Okay. Next, AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus 1 by 2 BC square. Okay, you try now. Okay, question again. In triangle ABC, listen, in triangle ABC, AC greater than AB. Okay. D is the midpoint of BC. AE perpendicular to BC. Prove that 1. Okay. In the board. Second one in the board. Third also you can find. Okay. Try now. It's a very simple question. You can try it. Okay. Okay, getting now? Okay, finish. We're all got. Okay. Look at here. If not, not finished. Okay. Okay. Ronit, finish. Hania, Krishna. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, look at here now. Hello, listen here. So it is simple question. Look, first of all, AC square in triangle AEC. AC square equal to what? AE square plus EC square, right? AE square plus EC square. Then AE square plus EC is ED plus DC whole square. Then AE square plus ED square plus DC square plus 2 ED into DC. That is this one and this one add. AE square plus ED square is AD square plus DC is BC by 2 whole square plus 2 ED into BC by 2. Okay, finish now. Okay. Then write the last line. Okay. Last line what will write? AD square plus BC square by 4 plus ED into BC by 2 cancel. We got this answer. We all got the first part. Okay. Roshan, we got first part. Okay, then start the second part. Second part, which triangle? In triangle AEB. AB square equal to AE square plus BE square. BE, you can write BD minus DE. Okay, try. Okay, we got the second part. Second part, we'll get AB square equal to AE square plus BE square. BE, we can write BD minus ED whole square. Open the bracket, you'll get this one. Then adding 1 and 2, we get the third one. Okay, finalize it first. Okay, finish or hello, finish? Finish or not? All the three parts got. Are you okay? All the guys? Finish? Anyone had doubt? Then I'll pass the next question. Anyone had doubt? Tell me now. You got the second part. Then when we add both, you'll get the third part. Roshan, you got or not? All the parts. Ronit, finish? Fatima, Aditi, Amar, Anika, Anushka, Farah. All the three parts finished, right? Okay. So I'm going to do the next question then. Okay. Right. If A, capital A, if A be the area of a right triangle, if A, capital A, be the area of a right triangle, A be the area of a right triangle. A means capital A, okay? A is the area of a right triangle, and B one of the side containing the right angle. B one of the side containing the right angle. A, B, C. Oh, no, not A. No. P, Q, R. A is the area of a right triangle. B one of the side containing the right angle. This is B here. Okay. Then prove that the length of the altitude. Prove that the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse. That means this one. Okay. That is QS equal to 2AB divided by root of b raised to 4 plus 4a square. QS equal to 2AB divided by root of b raised to 4 plus 4a square. Okay. You can hear the question again. If A means capital A, be the area of triangle. Area of triangle means what? Half base in height. That means half QR into PQ or half PR into QS, like that. Okay. B one of the side containing the right angle. I put here B, small b. And prove that length of the altitude on the hypotenuse. That means QS altitude. That is 2AB divided by root of b raised to 4 plus 4a square. Okay. You try. It's like a numerical question only. Okay. You can try now. Okay, you try now. If not getting, I'll show this one. Okay. Who got this? Asmi got. Oh, okay, good. Okay, look at here. Not those not getting listen here. Okay, look here. Area of triangle PQR equal to half QR into PQ equal to A, right? So that is half B into PQ equal to A. So PQ equal to 2A divided by B, correct or not? To going up. Okay. Now we got this one 2A by B. Okay. Now we are going to find out PR. Our plan is first we got this side. Now we are finding PR. After getting PR, we can find half PR into QS. Okay. PR square PQ square plus QR square 2A by B whole square plus B square. So that is 2A equal to 4A square divided by B square plus B square. This is equal to 4A square plus B raised to 4 by B square, PR square. Therefore, PR equal to root of, okay, you can see now, 4A square plus B raised to 4 divided by B. Okay, right up to here. Okay, right up to here first. After getting PR, I'll show you. Okay. Okay, now we got PR. Okay, so now look at here. Half into PR into QS again A. Area is no change. So QS equal to our requirement 2A divided by PR. Okay, 2A divided by PR is what? This one. Root of 4A square plus B raised to 4 divided by B going up. Okay. Okay, finish. Is it okay all now? Is it okay? Everyone clear now? It's a star question, okay? So final answer you got. Okay, so next question. Right, in figure, next one. In figure, in figure, in figure, PS the bisector of angle QPR. PS is the bisector of PS is the bisector of angle QPR. PS is the bisector. Okay. Show that QS by SR equal to PQ divided by PR. PQ divided by PR. Okay. Question what? PS is the bisector of PS is the bisector of angle QPR. Prove that QS by SR equal to PQ by PR. Okay, try. Are you getting or not? There is some construction. There is. Hello. Are you getting? There is a construction. That's why I'm asking you. Are you getting or not? Oh, okay, you're trying. Okay. Amisha, there is a construction. Okay. 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 So look at here now. There is a construction through R. Draw a line parallel to PS like this and extend this one. Okay. This one we call T. I mark some angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Roshan, which are the angles equal here? Any angles equal here? This is QP extended, straight line, not bent, okay? Which are the angles equal? 2 and 4. Why 2 and 4 equal? Why 2 and 4 equal? Alternate, okay, alternate angles, agreed, okay. Any other, okay, Hania, any other angles equal? Any other angle equal? Any other angles equal? 4 angles here now. Roshan said 2 equal to 4. Okay, agreed. Then, no, 1 equal to 2. Yes, okay. He said now, look at here, 1 equal to 2 given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle 2 equal to angle 4, alternate angles. Any more? Any other angles? Aditya, any other angles? Any other angles? 1 and 3. Yes, angle 1 equal to angle 3, number 3. So that means angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 4, right? Correct or no? Angle 3 equal to angle 4. That means what? PT equal to PR, number 5. Reason what? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. After that, I'll give the note this one. Don't write. Now, in triangle, QRT, PS parallel to RT, PS parallel to RT. So that means QS by SR equal to QP divided by PT, but PT equal to PR. Finish. Okay. Okay. Right now, construction. Construction. Okay. Through R, draw a line parallel to ST. Sorry, parallel to SP, which intersect at T when QP extended. Okay, what is the construction? Listen, draw a line through R parallel to SP, which intersect at T when QP extended. Okay. Proof. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Then angle 1 equal to angle 3, alternate angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 3, alternate angles. Then angle 2 equal to angle 4. Oh, sorry, angle 1 equal to angle 3. What I said? Corresponding angles. Yes. Angle 2 equal to 4, alternate angles. Okay. From 1, 2, 3, we got angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. Hence, PT equal to PR. PT equal to PR. PT equal to PR. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. After that, in triangle QRT, in triangle QRT, in triangle QRT, SP parallel to RT, SP parallel to RT, SP parallel to RT by construction. Then by basic proportionality theorem, QS by SR equal to QP by PT, QP by PT, but PT equal to QR, proved. But PT equal to PR, proved. Therefore, QS by SR equal to PQ by PR. Okay, finish now. Is it okay? Okay, finish this one now. So just go through this one. Okay. So next one, right? In figure, next question. Okay. So next class we start the new chapter. Okay. Areas related to circle. Full calculation job only. In figure, D is a point on the hypotenuse. 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 In figure, D is a point on the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. ABC. Okay. Okay. D is a point. D is a point on the D is a point on the hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC, such that BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. Okay. DM perpendicular to BC. DM perpendicular to BC. DN perpendicular to AB. DN perpendicular to AB. Prove that 1. DM square equal to DN into MC. 2. DN square equal to DM into AN. Question again. Look at here. In figure, D is a point. In figure, D is a point on hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC such that BD perpendicular to AC, DM perpendicular to DM perpendicular to BC, DN perpendicular to AB. Prove that DM square equal to DN into AC. Sorry, DN into MC. DN into MC. Then DN square equal to DM into AN. Okay. You try now. Okay. Okay, you got the first one. Question again. D is a point on the hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC such that BD is perpendicular and DM perpendicular, DN perpendicular. Okay. Try now. Okay, first part finish or not? Who all got? Aditi got? Varsha. Varsha, you got? Vignesh, Kiran. Okay, so then try second part. If you know the first part, then we can do second part. Okay. Okay, finish. All got. So finish all. Is it okay? Rest all guys. Okay, who all respond? Finish. So next question then. Okay. In figure, ABC is a triangle. In figure, ABC is a triangle. In figure, ABC is a triangle. In figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle ABC 90 degree. Angle ABC, angle ABC greater than 90. Angle ABC greater than 90. ABC greater than 90. Okay. And AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to CB produced. AB perpendicular to CB produced. Prove that AC square equal to AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. 2BC into BD. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. 2BC into BD. Question. Question is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle ABC greater than 90. That means obtuse. In triangle ABC, angle ABC greater than 90. AD perpendicular to CB produced. AD perpendicular to CB produced. Prove that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. 2BC into BD. Okay, it is here. Okay. It's very simple. Okay, who all got? Roshani got? Amisha got? Denya. Here what? Just find AC square. Look, in triangle ADC. AC square what? AD square plus DC square. So that is AD square plus DB plus BC whole square. Okay, open. AD square plus DB square plus BC square plus 2 DB into BC. Okay. Then here AD square and DB square together. What? AB square. AB square plus BC square plus 2 DB into BC. Finish. Okay, so next question. In triangle ABC, in which angle ABC less than 90. Angle ABC less than 90. Angle ABC less than 90. Okay. Listen, in triangle ABC, angle ABC less than 90. Angle ABC less than 90. Like this. Okay. ABC less than 90. AD is perpendicular. AD perpendicular. Prove that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. 2BC into BD. Okay, try now. 2BC into BD. Okay, finish. This is very quite simple. You got what? In triangle ADC, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. Correct? DC we can write what? BC minus BD whole square. Let's finish. For all got. Okay. So next one, little lengthy question. Okay, you try yourself first. Okay, right. Prove that. Prove that. Prove that. Sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram. Sum of the. Prove that. Sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram. Prove that. Sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to sum of the squares of its sides. Sum of the squares of its sides. Prove that sum of the sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram. We did same type in rhombus. Prove that sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to sum of the squares of its sides. Sum of the squares of its sides. Okay. Question again. Prove that sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram. Prove that sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to sum of the squares of the sides. Sum of the squares of the sides. Okay, try now. Okay, try this one. It's not an easy question. You try first. Okay. You got it. That's the key. Sure. Can you send me the answer? Okay. Okay, you try. Previous one. Okay. Okay, you try now. Okay. Just wait, Roshan. Let's see anyone get or not. Okay. Okay. So who all got? Anybody got the question? Understood? No. Some prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a parallelogram is equal to sum of the squares of the diagonals. Only Roshan only reading it. Rest all got. Manasi got, okay. Manasi got. Can you show, send me the answer? Manasi, how you got? Okay. Okay, Kaushik, just wait. Let's see. Asmi, you got? Krishna. Okay. Okay. I'll wait. I'll get 2 more minutes. Okay. Okay. So look at here now. Look. Oh, you sent? Okay, let me see. This one. No. How you got AB square plus BC square equal to 2 OB square plus half? That how you got that? You didn't prove that. How you got that? That you had to prove first. Then okay. Look at here. We'll go direct method. Listen here. Look at here now. Listen. Here ABCD is a parallelogram, right? Okay. Look at here. Okay. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. What you have shown? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay. This is the question. Okay. Look. Listen, this is the question. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay. This here, how will you get the AC square here? We need one construction. What is that? How to get AC square? Draw a perpendicular. Correct or no? Okay. Listen, you can draw a perpendicular here. This is outside. Not worry. Okay, outside. AB is E here. Okay. That I agree. How to get BD square? Books we need a we need a perpendicular from D also. Okay. F. Okay. This construction. My question. Listen out. Is it equal AF and BE? AF and BE equal? How? We are show the proof, right or no? Okay, listen, we'll start now. Right. I'll give the notes. It's not an easy question, okay? Right. Construction, draw DF and CE perpendicular to AB. Right. Draw DF and CE perpendicular to okay. What? Draw DF and CE perpendicular to AB. Okay. Now listen here. You can write in triangle AFD. In triangle AFD. In triangle AFD and BEC. In triangle AFD and BEC. Okay. In triangle AFD, what do you call AD? Any special name? AFD. AD, what do you call? A special name is there or not? What is that? AD, what a special name is there? Hypotenuse, correct or no? In triangle BEC, BC also hypotenuse. Okay, you can write hypotenuse AD equal to hypotenuse BE, right? Don't just write AD. Hypotenuse AD equal to hypotenuse BC. Hypotenuse AD equal to hypotenuse BC. Okay. Then, reason what? Reason opposite side of parallelogram. Opposite side of parallelogram. Okay. Opposites of parallelogram. DF equal to CE. DF equal to CE. What is the reason? DF equal to CE. DF equal to CE. What will be the reason? DF equal to CE. No, not rectangle. No. It's not rectangle. Maybe rectangle, but I don't know. How you know it is rectangle? Distance between, yes, perpendicular distance, that is correct. Perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. Correct. Write that one. Right. DF equal to CE. Perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. Perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. Okay. Therefore, triangle AFD congruent to triangle BEC. Triangle AFD congruent to triangle BEC by RHS congruency. RHS congruency. Okay. Hence, AF equal to BE. AF equal to B. We call it number 1. Okay. This is clear or not? Okay. This is everyone clear up to here. Then only we can proceed next step. Okay. Listen, what we did first? We proved triangle AFD and BEC congruent by RHS congruency. Reason, DA equal to CB and DF equal to CE. Okay. So now look at here. Now we are going to start what is AC square. AC square means in triangle AEC. Okay, AC square equal to AE square plus EC square. Okay, AE we can split AB plus EC whole square plus EC square. Okay, so here open the bracket, AB square plus EC square plus 2 AB into EC plus EC square. Okay. And why 2 EC? AB plus, sorry, this is BE, correct or no? BE. Yes, AE means AB plus BE. This is BE. Okay, everything. Okay. Look, AB square plus BE square plus 2 AB into BE plus EC square. That is AB square plus BE square plus EC square. BE square plus EC square is BC square plus 2 AB into BE, number 1. Are you okay this one? Look, right, in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, AC square equal to AB square plus BE square, Pythagoras theorem. Then AB square plus this BE square and EC square together. BE and EC together means BC square plus AB into BE. AB into BE. Okay. Then we got first one. Okay. Now in triangle D, look at here. In triangle DFB. Right. In triangle DFB. DFB, DB square equal to AF square plus FB square. Correct on this triangle. DFB, DF square plus FB square. That is AF. Okay, FB we can write AB minus AF whole square. FB means AB minus AF whole square. So that is AF square plus AB square plus AF square minus 2 AB into AF. but AF square and okay, DB square is AF square plus FB square. AF square plus AB minus AB minus AF, right? No, something. Why 2AF here? Check. Listen, DB square is yes, DB. AF square plus DB square. Oh no. Wait. Hey, come on. I made a mistake here. Look. In triangle, DB square is DF square plus FB square. Okay. So that is DF, no change. FB means AB minus AF whole square. That is DF square plus AB square plus AF square minus 2 AB into AF. Okay, this one and this one combined. We got AF square plus DF square is AD square plus AB square minus 2 AB into AF, number 2. Not number 2. 2 here, 3 here. Okay. Okay, now you listen. Okay, right up to here. Okay, so finish. Okay, now listen here. Look at here. Adding 2 and 3. We got what? Look, adding 2 and 3. We get. Look, adding 2 and 3. We get. AC square plus BD square. Okay, AC square what? AB square plus BC square plus 2 AB into BE plus AD square plus AB square minus 2 AB into AF. Okay. Then This is cancelled. Why cancel? Because BE and AF equal. Correct or no? BE and AF equal, we proved. Here 2AB square plus BC square plus AD square. Okay. 2AB square plus BC square plus AD square. 2AB square we can write AB square plus CD square plus BC square plus AD square. Okay, do it now. Take 5 minutes, check it, all the steps. Okay, check all. Okay, so next one. Is it okay now? Check. Right, next question. In figure, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. In figure, D is a point. In figure, D is a point. In figure, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. A, B, C. D is a point. Okay. Such that BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Show that AD is the bisector. Show that AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Show that AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Question again. D is a point. Come on. D is a point on side. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Show that AD is the bisector. Okay, I'll give a hint. Similar one question we did today. Okay, you remember or not? Similar one question we did. Same construction, you can use it. Same one question we did. We did like this. AD is the bisector. We did like this. AD the bisector. Then prove that BD by DC equal to AB by AC. You remember or not? Hello. You remember or not? Today we did one question. Okay, same type, same construction. Try this one. Okay. Okay, getting or not? Finish. Same construction, you do it. Okay, okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. What you did? Look, a construction here, parallel. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just like a converse. Look, BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Number 1. This line parallel here. Again, BD by DC equal to AB by here E. AB by AE. Number 2. From 1 and 2, AB by AC equal to AB by AE. So which implies AC equal to AE. Okay, AC equal to AE means angle 3 equal to angle 4. Number 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3 corresponding. Number 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Number 6. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Clear now? So this chapter is over now. Okay, we'll do some more questions during the revision time. Okay. So test is based on Pythagoras theorem portion. Okay.